On this episode of ScottVsBox, I open up Born Toys, Police Megaphone and Handcuffs. I know, it was too expensive for the taser gun.
Scott versus Box!
This is Born Toys, Police Megaphone and Handcuffs. Oh, look at this. She's bad. You don't mess with her. There's some giant that walked by her. She's like, get out of here, giant. We don't care for you unless you got green peas. You know, like Jolly Green Giant. That's the whole thing. Hey, and then we see on the side, it shows the megaphone. And then it's, what else we got? Oh, full function, talking siren, volume control, fold down handle, and shoulder strap. A shoulder strap. What will they think of next? And it's got handcuffs there. Let's open this up. Well, she doesn't like giants. I'll tell you that right now. You know what? I think she's a heightist. Yeah, she's prejudiced against those with greater height than her. Well, you know, sometimes you can take the height out of a person, and sometimes you can add lifts to someone's boots, as they used to say. I don't know who said it, but someone said it. Look at this. Wow, that's a pretty good looking megaphone right there. That looks like a real deal. So let's see, is this pulled down? Oh, it does. Look at that. I feel like Jimmy Hart. Okay. And then what else we got here? Whoa, batteries made by Yang Lee. Cool. And then we got the handcuffs here with key. And then it's got a siren and on and off and volume. Wow, this is like a real deal megaphone. So let's see, do I have to unscrew something here? Or can I just pop it off? What do I do? Ooh, there's a button that does that. Whoa, look at that. All right, so I gotta get these batteries loose here. I'll put these batteries inside. Oh man, all right. Finally, crowd control. I can do this. Yeah, so, what should I use this for? Oh, Star Wars Land's gonna open up at Disneyland. I could tell everybody to disperse. Nothing to see here, and then ride the rides over and over and over with my best buddy Chewbacca. Oh, maybe I'll tell him to leave too. Maybe I will. What are you gonna do? Stop me? Well, you could. I suppose you could watch this video and then notify the authorities, tell them what's going on. Well, that's fine. That's fair. That's fine. So let's see. Let's load these up here. It's doing it according to the photos, telling me how to load it up. So let's see. That should be it. Pop that back down in there. How's that? All right. I guess that's as much as it's gonna do. So then let's turn it on. Hello. I feel like it's not quite sealed enough, but all right. Well, maybe according to those photos, that's not how it wants it to be. But that's how I read it to be. Get in there. All right, let's try this again. I'll flip them. So let's flip these. But this said to do it that way. I don't know. I went off the pictures. Maybe that was my fault. Wow! I think it works. I think it's got power now. So let's turn the volume down a little bit. Okay. So the volume's all the way down. I press siren. Oh, wow, look at that. So what about talking through it? How do we talk through it? Hello, hello, da-da-da-da. I don't think it's got instructions. So let me see. I just got siren sound. Full function talk and siren. Well, yeah, I want to talk through it. How do I talk through it? Hello. Oh, there we go. You gotta just talk through it. You gotta put your mouth on it super close. All right, everybody, look, we understand you're here for Star Wars Land. Look, never mind this tall Wookiee gentleman and myself. His name's not Chewbacca, it's Bok Chew. And I will be inspecting the rides for cockroaches, so you're going to want to clear out. If you could take a bracelet and handcuff yourselves bracelet yourself to the Dumbo ride, we'd be very pleased if you would do that. By the way, no one else should touch this. It's been against my mouth the whole time. It's very, very disgusting, and I'm sorry. I just, oopsies. So yeah, that's the thing. Look at that. This is all that, and now I can turn up the volume. There we go, and I can talk even louder now. Yeah. Oh, look at that. And it's got a siren. Woo! Parents would love these. Love it, I say. Yeah, megaphone. It's already scratched up. And handcuffs. Oh, fun. That was epic, like all my unboxings. So to be sure to subscribe by clicking right up here, and then also you can watch more ScottVsBox videos by clicking right over here. And join the notification squad by clicking on that bell, then you'll know when every unboxing comes. Time to do aerobics.